How to allow location access on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to allow location access on your iPhone for specific apps. So, if you want certain apps to track your location while using them, just follow the simple steps. So first, head over to your settings on iPhone. Now, from there, simply scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. And now here in this section you can see the location service, so simply tap on it. And after that, in this section you will see a list of all the apps that have requested location access. So just find the app that you want to allow location access for. For instance, let's say Instagram. You simply just tap on it and then choose while using the app to allow tracking only when the app is open. And if you don't see any specific app in the list, well, don't worry. Just open the app first and try to use a feature that requires location access. For example, in Snapchat, just first open the Snapchat, and once you have opened it, simply tap on the maps icon shown in the bottom left corner of the screen. And from here, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you do, this will prompt the app to request location access. And once it does, you can go back to the settings and privacy and security, and from there simply go to the location service, and here the app should now appear on the list. And that's it. Now your apps can use your location service as needed. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.